Hi, I'm Candace, Global Trainer from Topcon Healthcare, and in this video I will be showing you how to take a radial line anterior segment scan using your Maestro2. The radial line anterior segment scan will be useful for imaging and measuring central corneal thickness as well as examining scleral lens fit. So to start, you will need your forehead attachment bar. So I'm going to place the forehead attachment rest on the forehead attachment bar like so. And we don't want the patient to place his chin first, so it's touching all the way, and then back where his face is a little tilted. We want him to push his chin back a little bit so that way his face is straight like that. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to hit radial anterior seg. And we're going to tap the pupil to center it in the big blue box. And now the patient's not going to see a target, so just have them look straight ahead. Hit capture start, hit manual mode, and it brings you to your capture screen. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that that green arrow is cutting the pupil in half, and you can move that green arrow using these top right arrows here. And you start to see your cornea, which looks like a rainbow, but to bring it more into the image, we're gonna hold down the up arrow, and we're looking for the corneal reflex, which is showing up as a line that's going perpendicular to the cornea, and we want that top part of the cornea in the blue box. So hold it right there, don't blink, don't move, hit capture start. And hit OK. And that's how you take a radial line anterior segment scan using your Maestro2. For more information, please check out Topcon Healthcare University, and we will see you later.